Only last week, Andhra Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy inaugurated an ambitious gaming and animation park in Hyderabad, but his government is now facing allegations of violating land norms and duping industrialists by selling them land which comes under heritage zone.
The opposition too has raised the issue, forcing the Andhra government to form a committee to look into the matter.
Protest by a group of angry builders as Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy watched on during the inauguration of a gaming project in Hyderabad. Builders claiming they felt cheated after the land the Andhra Pradesh government sold them nearly 7 years ago at a whopping 2,600 crore rupees was deemed heritage land.
Out of sold 150 acres property by the government and with a huge 2,600 crores, till last 7 years, all the successful bidders has been suffering with several reasons by the government.
AP government's mantra seems to be to sell land whenever it's in need of cash, even if it is not its prerogative to sell that piece of land. The money that came from auctioning of heritage lands in Hi-Tech City went to some flagship programs of the Congress government. Now, the same Congress government will have to shell down 1,000 crores for compensating those developers who lost land as a result of this bogus land sale.
While the builders were made to run from pillar to post, the government has allotted the land within the heritage zone for a gaming and animation park.
In the same property, in the same survey number, when they put it a restriction to the land successful bidders, and then putting the games park, animation park, games park, we're all shocked, and I met Mr. Honorable Minister, and we requested postpone. These are all the problems, issues. He is also surprised that I don't know. Then it is a government mistake.
The Andhra Pradesh Industrial Infrastructure Corporation has even received permission from the Heritage Conservation Committee to go ahead with the planned gaming project.
After the auctions have been completed, and we have earmarked 30 acres of land for this animation and gaming tower project. From the heritage angle, the gaming project has been given the green signal,
leading to protests and the builders demanding the government to return the money they paid for the land.
ఎవరికి నష్టం కాకుండా ఇబ్బంది కలగకుండా అది ఈ రోజే మంత్రిగా నా దృష్టికి వచ్చిన విషయాన్ని మీ దృష్టికి తీసుకొస్తున్నాను. ఏదేమైనా we are with the investors. We want to assist in the way that is required to the satisfaction of the potential investors in the state.
Clearly, the Andhra Pradesh government has much to answer for, as builders claim they've been duped to the tune of a whopping 2,600 crore. Now, it remains to be seen whether the government delivers on its promise and compensates these builders. Bureau Report, Times Now.